For the repair of the LS inverter, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 3-phase 440 volt AC power supply and a motor. At first, we test the normal mode with 60 Hz frequency. When we turn on the power supply and we turn on the inverter, we can see the 60 Hz frequency displayed on the inverter's screen, and the motor reacts accordingly. Then we also test the reverse mode for the 60 Hz frequency. The same process is repeated for the low frequency mode, where we see a 15 Hz frequency displayed on the inverter's screen, and the motor rotates at a lower rate. We also test the reverse mode for the low frequency mode. It is now clear that the LS inverter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.